All right, the drink we're about to make is called Beach Bum. First thing we're going to do is put some ice in a glass. And we're going to do 1/3 of Bacardi Limon. So we'll just do 1 shot of everything here. And 1 shot of orange juice. And we'll mix these 2 ingredients together real well. There's a little bit of beach bum in all of us. I know as soon as I get to the beach, all I want to be is a bum. That's the only place I can think of that I really want to be a bum, though. All right, then we'll set up our glass and pour everything in. And the last thing we're going to do is fill it the rest of the way with a lovely lemon lime soda. Look at the fizz. Give it a straw, and you are ready to enjoy the life of a beach bum. Bottoms up.